Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we have the problem based on decorator, that is on class method. So we need to create objects from alternate constructors in Python programming. So basically they are saying us that we need to create a person class with two attributes, name and age. We are need to write a class method name from two string, okay, that creates an object from a two string like, okay. Kajal 25. Let me just go to the Visual Studio Code. I'm going to create here a class of person, okay, and I'm just trying to create a constructor which is going to take self as a parameter, name as a parameter, and age as a parameter, right, which is going to get self dot name from name, and which is going to get self dot age from age. Okay, I'm now trying to just use out my class method, and here I am going to just use out a function as per the task, that is from string, which is going to take CLS as an argument, data as an argument. This is the parameter. I'm going to just get my name comma age from the split functions help. Okay, so data dot split is going to just be separated with the dash. Okay, and here you are just going to return simply CLS with name comma int age, and here we are going to create the variable, or I would say an object, person class from a string, and I'm just going to pass the data Kajal as per the task. Okay, and I'm just simply trying to print out my name p1 dot name, and going to print out simply p1 dot age. If I am just trying to run it, we got Kajal and 25 separately. What we did, first of all, we have created a person class, right? We have given instructors inside which we have passed out name and age. We have created a class method through which we have separated the data with dish. This data is returned out by return function with CLS, and we just got the data, you can see here, by help of P1. So yeah, I hope you guys understood the concept. Okay, so by the help of CLS we have just returned out name and age, and by the help of P1 we have just got the data separately, name and age. Thank you.